Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add sliders and ranges to your Outgrow content. Sliders enable your audience to select values from a defined range, creating a more interactive and engaging experience for your calculators, quizzes, and assessments. Let's dive in. Step 1. Access your content. First, let's get into the Outgrow Builder. Log into your Outgrow account. From your dashboard, either create new content or select an existing calculator, assessment, or quiz. Click to open the Builder interface. Step 2. Add or edit a question. Now, let's set up where your slider will appear. For a new question, click Add New. For an existing question, click on it to open the Settings panel. Step 3. Select the slider type. Time to choose your slider format. In the Question Settings panel, find the Question Type drop-down menu. Select either Numeric Slider or Numeric Range Slider from the options. The interface will automatically display slider-specific configuration settings. Step 4. Configure your slider. Let's customize your slider with these key settings. Into your slider label, for example, what is your monthly budget? Toggle this on to add helpful context for users. Set the lowest selectable value. Set the highest selectable value. Define your measurement unit, for example, dollars, percent, kg, or miles. Set the increment value to control how the slider moves. Toggle this on to display the numeric scale along your slider for easier reference. You're all set. Congratulations, you've successfully added and configured a slider in Outgrow. Sliders are perfect for creating intuitive, user-friendly inputs. Ready to get started? Sign up for Outgrow's free trial and start building today. Sign up to try it now.